your body's my body, 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 yo.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianda and nice to meet you if you haven't met me. It is my second week of school, junior year. I have finally finished doing my room and I wanted to give you guys a room tour today. I think it's the perfect time and I look cute. So let's get started. As soon as you walk in, you will see this right here. I got this from Myrtle Beach. It's so cute and you guys know I love the beach, so this definitely gives me home vibes as soon as I walk in. On this side, I have just a cute little small mirror. I'm short, okay, so it's for my height, but check your makeup, your hair. Make sure you look good before you go. Now, I have no idea where I got this inspiration from. Just the inner artist in me came out. I love how it gives nature vibes and the trail comes down. Look at my pretty bedding. I love the tropical vibes. My bedding is from Amazon and the pictures are from Five Below. Then under my bed, I just have some snacks and some extra toiletries. My crochet, yes. If y'all see any colors in here that y'all would like for an outfit, DM me. Why is there a Barbie doll in your dorm right now? Like, what are you doing? Flashback to move-in week. It was so busy. I was simultaneously trying to move in while having a full dance camp schedule from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. I did not stutter. But I had a wonderful time and we did a mini fam reveal. So I decided to do a cute Barbie theme because who doesn't love pink? This is cute. My move-in week was a success. This is only one side. You guys have a whole other side to explore. This rug right here is from Five Below. The sun is facing this way, which is a perfect place to make some TikToks or, you know, little music videos. And of course, I saved best for last. I love this part of my room. I spiced up my broken mirror and turned this yoga mat into a red carpet. I love the turnout of a creative concept that actually looks amazing. I just love how vibrant my room is. I just feel like I'm in a brat's room living out my dream life. Subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below with some requests or just your thoughts on this video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.